So for today's prompt, we're actually going to talk about a feature or a function inside of ChatGPT, which is called My GPT. So what is a GPT? So this is essentially when you want to create a template or basically a prompt that you're going to use over and over again to produce, the same results. So you do this by going into your ChatGPT account, and you're going to go on the left-hand side. You're going to see GPTs. You're going to click My GPTs, and then you're going to click Create. When you go into Create, you're going to see this screen here. Very basic information. You're going to give it a name, a description, and instructions. So all we're doing here is a very basic function of we're going to compare a PO and an invoice to each other and determine if the line items match or if there's anything different about what our internal PO is and the invoice that we've received from a vendor. So once we create this, so you're going to put this basic information in here, you're going to name it something, give it a description, and then the instructions is where you're going to put your prompt or exactly what you want this GPT to do every time. And then you'll save it. And then you will see it on your left-hand side of your screen under My GPTs. You'll just click it. And for us, the only thing that we need to do when we're using this particular GPT is to upload a vendor invoice and our client purchase order. So we've uploaded these, then we'll hit the button, and then what will get spit out here is, it took about 43 seconds for GPT to go through this and evaluate the two PDFs, and it said, hey, this line item here for this wireless mouse, RPO had it listed at $5 at $25. The vendor invoice had it at $5 at $30, so it was $25 over. And plus, there was a $50 shipping charge that was not on our original PO. So this is a great way that you can start dipping into some automation for your business. If you want to start taking this one step further, you can have these files put into a specific place in your file storage and then having this type of prompt being run automatically and generating a report so that you can do this not just one time where somebody has to drag and upload these, but this can be done automatically, 50, 100, 1,000 times a day and just report it onto somebody instead of somebody having to manually review these.